Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. I want to share today about an important aspect. Leading is not same as a leader. Leading means people are willing to follow. As a leader of any organization or team, you hold highest rank. The question is, why would people follow you? They will follow you because of only one thing, that is when they have a trust. Now remember, trust is not something which can be built in one day. Trust cannot be built casually just like that. Trust is start building when team members feels your thoughts and belief. It's about the feeling, and these feelings bonds are created when you spend enough time communicating openly while being transparent with the people whom you're working with, not judging them. And slowly a feeling about being one team gets built. To continue to build a trust, you have to keep talking about why, what, and how. Why is when you talk about why you are doing something or asking certain things, an overview, a bigger picture. It will define a value system as what you believe, and people get connected to the vision, the why. What and how is the action part. When you keep demonstrating your strong belief by taking consistent action, the team gets sold out to your vision, your action, and that's when they start contributing towards your vision, a goal, the why. When the why is clear, team gets inspired and start trusting you more, and what and how start to get clarity and unity kicks in. And when you do all these things, you will see trust being built, and you can lead the team or organization with the full support of the team, and you are a true leader. In fact, people want you to lead them, and they feel happy to follow you as a leader who has a vision, who is leading through his words and action. Talk to you soon.